Hi everyone, this is K-pop Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna sa reaction video ang Barda compilation. May pa-update si Mang Barda United sa dali lang. Our family ate at Tomas Morato and we saw David Licauco's future chart for Sobra Cafe opening August. Ay saan?
Ngayon sa Tomas Morato, kumain kami sa labas ng family namin sa may restaurant.
Mamang init-init. Sa labas kayo kumain?
This is Corner Scout Rallos and
I love you, Mang Barda United. Alam mo yan.
And while we were eating, nakita namin
Saan?
yung pwesto ni David for Sobra Cafe. So this is the Corner Scout Rallos where Shakey's is. And
Okay.
this is the Gelato, Igusto, and then the Watsons. And then this is actually, I was
the
moving to
Sobra.
yung place where Sobra Cafe of David will be set up, will be constructed. So, ito siya.
Okay.
And it's in between Pares Retiros and the Watsons. And if you notice, ito yung background nung nagko-construction sina David a week ago. So, ito ang magiging pwesto ng Sobra Cafe. Opening in August. And kanina nandito daw sila.
They're driving forward. Go!
Yan, Watsons, and then Gusto, Gelato, and then Shakey's. That's
Gusto,
Corner
Gelato.
Scout Rallos, and Tomas Morato. Ang ganda ng pwesto niya, grabe. Sa tapat siya ng Army Navy,
Ay, ang dami ka kompetensya. Charing.
pizza.
Chos.
Ito siya. May peri-peri, katapat niya ang rice rocket and pizza telepono and Army Navy. So ito siya. Ang ganda ng pwesto, promise. Yan. Shakey's. So this is something to look forward to in Tomas Morato. Opening soon August. Sobra Cafe. Ito siya. Very strategic po yung location. Sobrang ganda. Mas katabi niya yung Pares Retiro. So napakaganda ng pwesto. So ni David nakuha niya to. Ang hirap kumuha ng pwesto sa Tomas Morato, to be honest. So yun lang, update lang.
Okay. Update sa Mang Barda United. Ay! Dito tayo sa mga repost ni Mang Barda United kung ano yung mga chismis niya. Ay! Ito! Ay! Taray! Natawa naman ako. Mami, natawa ako sa inyo sa pinagagawa. Sorry, natawa ako. Sorry. Ay, si Alexa.
Oo naman. Gusto mo na
Ah, sorry.
Oo naman. Gusto mo na
Kasi nga, yeah. Kasi pumunta siya sa kay Alexa na misbehave.
Ako lang. O, sige.
Alexa, no?
Pero ngayon nagsasama kayo ni Sanya Lopez, di ba?
Yes, yes.
Before, parang...
Pakinggan natin ito si Papa Alden. Ay!
Wala pong ganun. Hindi po kami nag-date. Parang,
So, ngayon lang kayo talaga
Ay, wala pong ganon.
nagkikita-kita po.
Ay, wala pong ganon. Grabe naman. Grabe.
Pero
Grabe.
we're friends. But
Grabe yung ano.
Wala pa pong something romantic and hindi po kami nag-date.
Tinutokso kayo online. Hindi lang din talaga
Bagong chismis
kailangan
to,
laging
Chari.
ipamalita sa social media yung mga ganyan eh. But you know, sometimes yung mga personal things that's happening,
Ay,
better be personal na lang.
Nice to see you again. I've seen a lot of friends on stage as well. So, ang saya lang kasi parang naging personal experience siya for everyone inside the theater, di ba? Parang lahat tayo, iisa ang reaksyon, lahat parang we share the same experience all at the same time. And I think yun ang magic ng theater.
And makaka-relate and natutuwa talaga lahat. And what do you think like the highlight or favorite part of the play? Of course, the best part.
Well, syempre, bukod dun sa mga given scenes na feeling ko lahat naman tayo agree na yung highlight talaga. Pero for me personally, yung Ay, pwede bang sabihin ko yan? Okay. Yung dinner scene. Kasi doon na po eh. I think, I could put the magic for the outcome of anything. May it be a movie, a TV show, or a play. Yung brilliance nun, lahat nangyayari sa collaboration, sa yung brainstorming of everything, and the business natin. So I think that's the magic of it. Parang dinala nila tayo sa parang kung paano nila kinreate yung masterpiece. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes! Opo. Actually, I think ito yung klase ng play na hindi ko kailangan magkitahan yung mga tao kasi katulad na lahat na nandito ngayon, isa tayo pumunta para ma-experience it ourselves. Please, guys, get your tickets now kasi ubusan. Diba? Ubusan ng tickets. So, bilisan nyo na, kunin nyo na yung tickets nyo. It's really worth your while. And again, it's a masterpiece from everyone and especially from my idols.
You're so secretive when it comes to your love life. The last time you were interviewed by Tito Boy, parang medyo hesitant ka na aminin kung sino yung sinasabing girlfriend mo. Is that a personal preference or kumbaga meron bang direction from the network or management na kailangan nakafocus lang kayo sa love team ni Barbie?
Well, siguro kasi ex-girlfriend ko, she's a very private person and I respect her, you know, like privacy, like ayoko rin na parang, kasi for sure may mga taong mangingialam or aligid sa relasyon namin. Kaya siguro tinry ko siya as much as possible na keep siya nasa amin.
Pero so, ngayon, kung magkakaroon ka ng girlfriend, would you still prefer to be private? Or okay lang makita kang sa labas na nakakapag-date?
Medyo, I don't know, like parang nahirap din kasing date ng non-showbiz, especially kung kumbaga artista kayo. Kasi maraming mga factors na mahirap intindihin. I mean, I'm pretty sure kung ano kayo nagkaroon kayo ng boyfriend or girlfriend na artista, mahirap din talaga ng mga mismong scenes, you know. So, and ngayon nandito ako sa point of my career na I just want to focus and like, do my best and you know, like milk everything that I can get from this industry. Because hindi naman nga to panghabang buhay. So siguro hindi muna ako magpagrelasyon ngayon.
Until may age, ano ka na?
Siguro I'll give it like 2-3 years. Because you know, I wanna settle down rin and I wanna have kids and have my own family.
But right
I can only say thanks.
CV check.
Barbie.
Napansin ko lang parang selective ang diagnosis. Kapag sila umaasa, optimism. Kapag ikaw umaasa, delusional. Exactly. Ang tawag dyan ay psychology.
Isn't it ironic?
Barbie. Naman kasi talaga sila, ma'am, sa totoo lang.
Taylor Swift song that you would dedicate.
Ituloy natin to. This is Kinyo Vlogs and see you on my next vlog.